Welcome. In this video, we will explore the common causes behind slow website loading. Page speed is crucial, as users expect websites to load within seconds. Let's find out what slows them down. Unoptimized images and videos are the biggest culprits. Large file size takes longer to download, delaying the entire page. Every element, CSS, JavaScript, and images needs a separate request. The more requests, the slower your site becomes. Your hosting server speed matters. If the server is overloaded or far from the user, response times increases significantly. Bloated code with unused CSS, unnecessary JavaScript, or poorly structured HTML adds extra weight and slow down rendering. On platforms like WordPress, excessive plugins and widgets can overload resources, creating lag in loading time. Without caching, browsers reload everything from scratch each time. Caching stores copies of files, reducing load time for repeated visitors. JavaScript and CSS that blocks rendering force browsers to fully load scripts before showing the page, causing the delays. Without a CDN, users far from your main server experience higher latency. A CDN delivers content from the nearest server. Websites cluttered with ads, tracking codes, or pop-ups takes longer to load and frustrate visitors. If your website is not mobile friendly, it can load slower on mobile devices, especially with weak networks. To recap, slow websites are usually caused by heavy media, poor hosting, bloated code, too many requests, and lack of optimization. A faster website keeps your users happy and boosts SEO rankings. Now subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.